This car came in junkyard, came crushed. Some other junkyard got a hold of it, pulled the engine and trans out, and left all the stuff in. So explain that to me. This 72 Monte Carlo. It's an Illinois car. It says the tag said 2015. So it actually was on the road pretty recently, considering the car is 40 years old. So there's the tech dash I found in there. I barely was able to get that out. They crushed it with a sport steering wheel in there. I had to cut that. Bucket seats. Look at how nice these bucket seats are. These are probably, what, $750 bucket seats. Power rear windows. Obviously air conditioning. Disc brakes are standard with Monte Carlos. Console's all broken up because it got crushed. I can't really tell you how the doors were. They don't look that bad. You know, actually, maybe they do. I've seen a little rust in the frame. And there's a frickin' 12 bolt. I left that. I can't tell if it's positive or not. See the 2 bolts at the very bottom? Right next to each other? That means it's 12 bolt. There's a sway bar under there somewhere. Some of these box control arms. And then it had a kind of rear option. Rear defroster. So it's just a fan under there that blows the air out under there. The factory jack is in here, but maybe I'll take it. It's got the bumper piece. That's for Chevelle also. I grabbed the seat belts, the tack dash. I'll be grabbing the 12 bolt once they get it out of here. Someone else wanted the disc brakes for me. Yeah, it was a pretty nice car. And this is all after I got a hold of it. I would give you the VIN number, but I don't think there's anything there. Here's the VIN tag. You can read it. So, yeah. Look at that steering wheel. That would have been nice. Sport steering wheel. I don't see the horn button. There was an AM FM 8-track, but it was like a Pioneer or something. Not much else to tell you about this car. I don't see the cool sport mirror, the rear view mirror. Obviously power seats, power windows. I don't see no power bucket seats. This is about all I can tell you, all I can see. And somehow there's another junkyard engine stuck in there. I think 72 is the only Monte Carlo that didn't have round lights in the front bumper. Let's see what the mileage said on this tack dash. 21,000, so it probably has turned over 2 or 3 times. I'm just trying to go over the car slowly so you can see it. The dash pad was probably nice. Looks like it was. I really don't understand why this car was completely ripped apart. You're completely crushed with all the valuables in it. Engine trans is usually worth not that much, especially in old block LS engines. There's the tags. Oh, this 315 was the last year, so this came from another junkyard. It crushed it. Sometimes they have problems with the yards being closed to take crushed cars, so they brought it here. Little panels rotted back there. Trunk definitely had some issues. No power trunk. I think that was a really rare option back then. See speakers. And that's about all I see in this car. For this car. Kind of interesting. Don't know the history of it. So, steering wheel would be worth what, $100-200. Bucket seats $750. Disc brakes about $200-300. Rim $250 to $500. Console, center console about $250. Steering column about $150. Tack SS dash should be worth probably $600 to $1,200. So I would say all around they left probably about $2,500, $3,000 in this car. So not sure why. So hopefully you enjoyed me showing this one of these junkyard finds. and we'll grab the 12 bolt as soon as they give us a chance to get under there with the control arm, the sway bar, and someone else getting what's left of the disc brakes if they come.